What up, YouTube? Dub G back at you again with another sneaker unboxing from Eastbay. I've been waiting for these to come in, so now I'm gonna take my first look at these. So let's see them together, guys. I also got some other stuff as well. I'll share that, guys, with you right now. The receipt. Got a Oakland Thunder OKC hat, new era. Got this Jordan tee with Mars on the front. Pretty cool. Also got these nice, like, short sweats in that navy blue colorway. Right here, the box. As you can see, it's a Converse box. Let's check out the kicks. Here they are, the Converse All Stars Fresh. What are they called? Yep. Pretty neat. All gray shoe. I'll have a sneaker review for you guys coming soon on feed as well. I just wanted to share this, guys, with you since, you know, I've already got this package in today. So yeah, hope you guys like this video and my other pickups I got. Yeah, alright, guys, thanks for watching. Late.